Hello everyone, welcome to Imee's recipes. Today I'll show you how I made these bread buns. Easy to prepare bread buns. So let's get started. In a bowl, pour 250 ml warm milk, followed by 15 grams baking powder, 30 grams sugar, and 50 grams olive oil. Add 10 grams of salt and 1 egg. Gradually add the bread flour and incorporate it with the ingredients using one hand.
The working surface.
Knead the dough
about 5 minutes.
for about 5 minutes on the working table. Grease the bowl with oil and let the dough rest for about 2 hours or until it doubles its size. Now, the dough is ready to be formed in bread buns. Form a big log and divide the big log into 2 small logs. In this bread recipe, you can form 20 small bread buns. Flatten each bread bun and put the filling. Here, I use mozzarella for pizza, ham or prosciutto, and hot dog. They are chopped into small cubes. Grease the pan and dust it with bread flour. You may not use a baking pan. Instead, you may use directly the baking tray of the oven. Let the bread buns rest for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, the bread buns are ready. So you have to prepare 1 egg yolk and put a little milk, mix them together, and use it as an egg wash. Brush egg wash on each bread bun. Then, sprinkle sesame seeds on top. In the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 50 minutes. Now, the bread buns are done. Let me see the inside. recipe and enjoy baking! Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click the notification bell for more videos.